Out of that loose ball and last touch, Tony De La Cruz. Play, great hustle. Para kay Tony De La Cruz.
Na ito, eh.
Kaya nga, may steal pa. Willie Miller from the backcourt.
That's a good quarter para sa Alaska.
Oh, yes. Alaska Aces. They're fighting back. At ito, baba na lamang sa 6 itong lamang ng Pure Foods TJ Giants. 67-61. Para rito sa Pure Foods TJ Giants, itong ating Buhay Coke shot. Brought to you by Coca-Cola. Lahat ng shots magaganda at walang katulad. Kaya ang Buhay Coke, buksan mo. Kita nyo nga naman yan. Siya talaga bumubuhay rito para sa Pure Foods TJ Giants. Of course, maganda naman yung supporting cast niya in this ball game. The likes of Peter Jude Simon. Sabi nga natin 2 seasons ago, MVP na si James Schaap is not yet done. We still have this
1 quarter.
full quarter.
Ano mo sinasabi ko, kaya nakabalik ang Alaska nung inilang Kablay.
Well, let's see right now. Brandon Cablay along with Chico Lanete. Dito sa ating 4th quarter, John Dan Salvador. Richard Yee seeing action for the first time. At nariyan din si Peter June Simon. Chico Lanete right now is up against Willie Miller. Cablay against Mike Cortez. Former teammates, but right now, kalaban na sila. Shot clock down to 5 seconds. Peter June Simon. Cablay to Chico Lanete. He has to make a shot. Pero sa shot clock violation laban sa Pure Foods.
Parte ng Alaska yan, starting the 4th and final quarter ng ating ball game. Pwersa lang mag-mintis itong Pure Foods.
6 na lang itong hinahabol ng Alaska Aces dito.
Hindi sila ng canny combination on the floor para sa Giants.
Miller on the drive, gets it to go sa foul. That's the MVP for you.
Sabi nga kanina, what time is it eh?
Kaya nga sabi natin, what time is Miller time? Anytime, as long as Willie Miller is on the floor. And he makes the bonus free throw. All of a sudden, 10 points in the ball game para kay Willie Miller.
And all of a sudden, 3 lang hinahabol ng Alaska from a high of 17 kanina, but the biggest lead was 19.
Interesting ball game right now dito sa ating 4th quarter. Higit na itong ating labanan. Richard Yee. Oh, pinaagaw ang bola. Willie Miller has it once again. Miller pulls up for the 3. Wala! Raynel Hugnatan, offensive rebound. Well, he was in the land of the Giants. The TJ Giants.
Nakita mo, 3 yung nakapaligid dito kay Raynel Hugnatan. Nakuha pa niya yung offensive rebound. At bigyan siya ng bonus free throw dito. 13 points, 5 rebounds for Raynel Hugnatan. Dala lang, nakapasa ng Pure Foods dito, 67.
Makatok na nga. Itong Alaska Aces. Setback itong si James Schaap para sa Pure Foods. And 2 for 2 para kay Raynel Hugnatan. 67-66. High of 19 ang hinabol ng Alaska. Chico Lanete, na to Richard Yee. Double team to Richard Yee. Ito ngayon, Cablay to John Dan Salvador. They're looking for an outside shot here. The lead is for James Schaap.
Matindi naman yun pag MVP yung tirang yun.
Grabe. 69-66. Well, there's a reason kaya binalik si James Schaap. Coach Ryan Gregorio. Right now, Willie Miller has it. Ito na ba yung inaabangan natin? Mike Cortez. De La Cruz puts it up for a 3. Wala. Kinyahan to the rebound. Will be a loose ball foul.
Well, alam mo, tingnan natin itong tira ni James Schaap, ano?
Binalik siya ni Coach Ryan Gregorio because they needed some basket. Masok na yung tira na yun ni James Schaap. Right now, Alaska. Willie Miller puts it up for a 3. Oh, steal and press!
At meron tayo dito, 69. Well, from the point na technical si Coach Timko, that was 3 minutes and 45 sa 3rd quarter. Lamang ng 17 ang Pure Foods James Schaap converting yung 3-point shot, free throw, 65-48. After that, 4 puntos lang na-score ng Pure Foods.
Richard Yee. Naagawa ni Willie Miller. Bigay kay Mike Cortez. Mike Cortez against Chico Lanete. And don't look now. Ala is back on top. They led kahapon pa.
Kahapon pa yun?
Eto, muli nila natikman ang lamang rito via that basket of Mike Cortez. What a play here. Willie Miller, the reigning MVP, proving his worth for the Aces. They lead 2 right now. All right, back into this ball game. So take a look at the crowd here at the Big Dome. Kung saan nga po, ito, nasa 4th quarter na tayo. Lumamang na nga po muli itong panig ng Alaska Aces against the Pure Foods TJ Giants. They trailed by as much as 19 points. Last time they led 6-5 back in the first quarter.
65-48 na yung sinasabi natin sa 17-point lead ng Pure Foods with 3 minutes and 45. After that, 23-4 run.
Miller time happening here in the second half. At of course, ito nga, what if hindi siya nahuli sa call time? What if he started this ball game? Imagine that.
Baka malaki lamang na Alaska, no? Or baka hindi na kumposa ng malaki kalamangan ng Pure Foods.
Exactly. John Ferriols, pinalitan si Tony De La Cruz. James Schaap against John Ferriols. Yan ang assignment ni John Ferriols. Tauhin si James Schaap. Raymundo kumursunatan ng 3. Short. And Miller for the rebound.
Position yan.
Now Michael Tess sizing up the situation here, signaling the play. Nakita mo, triangulo.
Kaya nga.
Triangle offense.
Lapit na naman ang bagong taon eh. At yun naman staple ng Alaska talaga eh.
JR Gimyahan short with the jumper, but they get the ball back. Reset ang kanilang shot clock.
Pure Foods that time, wala man nang nakahabol sa rebound.
Kaya nga eh. For about 3 quarters, itong na Pure Foods. Hindi ba na makahawak ng bola ang Alaska pagdating sa rebounding. Look at this. Wow, offensive rebound. John Ferriols tutukan.
And this time, kitang-kita mo yung Alaska na talagang sila yung intense dito sa ball game na to eh, no? Fighting for the rebound.
Well, what can we say? Timely at mapagmuling pagbalik on the floor ni John Ferriols. Substitute for Tony De La Cruz. They have a 2-point lead, and he could increase their lead right now.
And it does. John Ferriols, 6 points. John Ferriols. Only his 3rd point pala.
And it doesn't matter. Yun nga, yun eh.
Kumbaga siya yung mag-tingin sa kabila.
Ayun. Exactly. Siya yung Mr. Pulot Boy ng Alaska Aces, ha? Meron din sila nun. Lamang na ng 4 ang Alaska. 8-19 to play in this game. Kirby Raymundo. John Ferriols, kahit sino binapatayan. Kinyahan ng Kirby.
Kasi nga naman, paglabas ni Kirby Raymundo, naiwan si John Ferriols. Sumunod lang itong si Kinyahan. Late na siya eh.
13 points para kay Kirby Raymundo. James Schaap and Willie Miller. We talked about these guys at the top of the coverage. From Best to Willie Miller. Nakitiwan ang bola pero napunta kay JR Kinyahan. 2 seconds on the clock.
Kaya pa yan.
Wala. Di lang nga pumasok. Pero nando si Michael Tess to steal the ball back. And Alaska once again setting up their offense here. Hustle play para kay Mike Cortez. Miller to Mike Cortez. Back to Willie Miller. Layo nito. Lakas. Kinyahan. Offensive rebounding for the Aces. Kinyahan. This pass from Mike Cortez.
Kumalaw ka lang, makakarating siya yung bola.
Irabaho. Diba?
Ayun, siya yung responsible para magkaroon ulit ng offense ang Alaska eh.
4-point lead. So far the biggest para sa Alaska Aces in this ball game. Kirby Raymundo. Sumalaksak pumilip. Sino nag-aabang sa labas? James Schaap.
May foul na doon. James Schaap ay bibigyan ng 2 free throws but
Miller foul.
usap-usap muna tayo. Nag-power before the free throws. Free throws, makita natin TJ Giants 3 out of 5. Daming free throws na doon sa Alaska Aces dito.
If you consider, pag lang sila play ng Alaska Aces. Ablay.